Six vectors A through F have the magnitudes and direction indicated in the figure. Which of the following statement is true? B plus CF, D plus CF, D plus EF, B plus EF as the vectors are shown here. It was a question of 2010. So it's a very easy question if you have a basic understanding of vectors. So let's solve it. A, B plus C, let me draw the vectors. B plus C resultant is not equal to F. Actually B plus C equals to minus F, equals to minus F vector. D plus C equal to F, but it's not. Let me draw. D plus C resultant is not given there, so it's not our answer. Let's look ahead. D plus E equals to F. Let me draw this, their vectors and their resultant. D E, let me correct it. D E, okay, F. So it's the answer. D is given that B E, so B plus E is not equal to F, we can clearly see it. So it's not what we want, it's not our answer. So correct answer is C, and answer is our C.